My nephew enjoyed it a lot. It's definitely a must-visit place. Kids and adults friendly place. 16,001 was a steal for tickets to the aquarium. There was so much to see. Almost all of the signage in the aquarium is bilingual with interesting facts about the sea animal and land animals. We also got to see manta ray, penguin, warloo feeding. The feedings were all pretty short and educational. There was also a Peter Pan show with songs, dancing and mermaid divers. The show were in Korean, so if you don't understand Korean, you'll miss the educational part of the shows. Everything in the aquarium were new and well designed. It takes about 3 hours to see everything and watch every show. There's 3 hours of free parking available. We stayed for 3 hours 33 minutes and paid 501 of extra parking fee, so not bad at all. Stroller rental is 2001. I would recommend eating before going inside. There's a food court in the building but it's outside of the aquarium. There are food vendors on both floors of the aquarium selling snacks like corn dogs and churros, but if you want a proper meal, you'll have to go to the food court. Although the subway to the aquarium is a long way, the scenery on the road is beautiful and it will not be tired. There are many types of fish, and you can see the animals very close. There is a very small food area. Much like a maze is fun, you can play with friends for a long time. Lots of marine life on show, along with a petting zoo and jungle area with monkeys etc. Well-curated displays. Some tanks seem a little small, but no worse than most aquariums, and decently priced. Modern and worth a visit. The aquarium was beautiful. Had a blast with my friends. The shows were cute. Buying a ticket at Klook is much cheaper than buying it on the spot. You can use QR code to change your ticket before entering the venue. The aquarium is very beautiful, so it's great for a family to play. Remember not to miss the water show time. Wonderful. This was the first time I purchased tickets through Klook, and when I got a 50% discount on tickets I was a bit worried about the reliability of this website and checked for some review. There were many positive reviews and I purchased the tickets and those worked. It was a good experience. I saved around $40. There are mermaid performances and walrus introductions. Although they are not big rooms, you can play for a long time if you like fish and animals. I stayed with my friends for 3 hours, smiley face emoji. There are sheep waiting for you on the top floor. Really great value. Moreover, it is more expensive to purchase on the Korean website. After buying, you can change the ticket at the counter and it will be okay. Klookesa samyang ka trong sayo tilde ilsan akuwa pulan secha umekaponi kaching melcheme isayo. Cheaper price when buying voucher. If there is a Korean translation to show, it will be better. Pay and receive vouchers very quickly. Very convenient. You can go in after you change the ticket directly at the counter. It doesn't matter if you don't speak the language. It's great. Thumbs up emoji. Lots of different animals, including marine and land animals. Great experience. It's a good place for families to travel together. Take the MRT to the station and walk for about 10 to 15 minutes to get there. On the way, you will pass a pretty big park. Tickets are exchanged quickly, and the overall movement is pretty good, but the vending machines can only pay by card. The water sold in the store is not cheap. If you only have cash, remember to bring your own water. First buy tickets on Klook website. Now it is very convenient and fast to get tickets directly. Very cool. It looks like Vladivostok Aquarium, but some largest and more diverse. Although it is not very large, it can be completed in about an hour, which is very suitable for bringing children to play and walk around. Sea lions are very cute, and there is not much space for activities in the museum. It takes about 1 hour from Seoul to there. Although there are many people, it is worth taking the children to both places.